Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Thursday. Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Wednesday, April 14th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDSL Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that are coming up or happened yesterday. Don't forget, tomorrow, Thursday, wear your purple shirt, because tomorrow is celebration for our military families. So, if you're at home, you can wear a purple shirt. If you're coming into school, you're going to wear a purple shirt. You can wear blue jeans, a belt, black belt, and black shoes, and white socks. Also, scholars, we appreciate everybody that's coming to school every day. Remember, every day counts. What an amazing job some of you are doing, making sure you have perfect attendance this year. Keep up the great work, and we'll see you in the classroom. Hoot, hoot!